Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle saber like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I used Saber plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to file and import your image. Drag and drop and press S to increase it like this. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it Saber. Then hit OK. Let me close Saber just right now. Make sure that you are on Saber layer. Then go to tools and mask and pen tool, and now draw your mask. Okay, this is my mask. Let me handle this one and this. Okay, not bad. Okay, now open Saber again and close your image. Go to Effect, Video Copilot, and Saber. Also, make sure that you are on Saber layer. Go to Customize Core and set Saber to Layer Mask. Okay, yeah. Now enable glow, close it. Then I'll go to distortion. Open distortion, core distortion, and amount I'll change it to 80. Wind speed I'll change it to 0.01. Also noise speed 0.01 and degrees noise scale. Then go to noise bias, change it to 3 and see. Okay, now I'll go to render settings and set black to transparent. Go to core size and 0.5, and also here smoke, set smoke to energy. Yeah. Okay, now go to first frame and I'll go to customize core, set star size to 0 and keyframe on start offset and also end offset. End offset change it to 0. Go 4 frames forward, 4 seconds forward, and increase both to 1000. Then press U here, select all keyframes and keyframe and right click and choose easy ease. Then I'll select just star offset keyframes and I'll move it something like this. Okay, and see. Okay. Okay, very good. Now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type roughen edges, double click or drag and drop. Go to border and change it to 0, scale to 10 and see. Now again effects and presets and I'll type colorama. Colorama Double click and now choose your color. Go to input here and choose your color, and I'll choose color matching with my image. Yes. Okay, this is good. Ah, okay. Now close image again, and I'll go to Saber, Control D to copy. I'll put Saber to down, open it, and first let me go to render settings, and I'll change transparent to black, sorry, to add. Then I'll go to enable glow, and I'll open it, choose your color, also matching with your image. Core size, I'll change it to 4, and glow bias to 1, and see. Okay, then I'll press U, go to start offset in Saber, and I'll move it like this, and also Saber to make a Saber here set normal to screen, and see. Okay, also go to distortion, and distortion amount, I change it to 0. Okay, yeah, or maybe I'll make it 30, it will be good, not bad. Also, I'll go to customize core softness here, I'll increase it to 6, and see. Again, I'll go to Saber and Control D to copy. Then I'll put Saber 3 down like this. Let me close this image to see. And render settings, transparent to add. Then I'll go to distortion again, core distortion. Amount, I'll change it to 40. Also, I'll increase wind speed to maybe 2, and noise speed, I'll change it to 0. Then I'll go to noise scale, this one, and yeah, I'll increase it to 200 and 250. Okay, also I'll increase wind speed, set energy to smoke. Then I'll go to blur, motion blur, and I'll increase it to 7. Okay, let me press U again, U here, Saber 3. Let me change this color. also core size to 1 and see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.